Looking for a quick, cheesy snack that'll wow your taste buds? Let's make these irresistible cheese corn balls in no time. You'll need sweet corn, grated cheese, breadcrumbs, mashed potatoes, and a dash of your favorite spices. Mix it all together, shape into balls, and fry until crispy golden brown. These bites are crunchy outside, gooey inside, and bursting with flavor. Perfect for movie nights or a quick snack attack. Super easy, super cheesy. Love this recipe? Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering snacks.